Hello, you're welcome back. We are still dealing with Jamb and Maths, and we are solving questions under coordinate geometry. We have two questions again. So, question number one, we have to find the value of acute angle between the lines 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. And then number two, we have to find the tangent of the acute angle between these two lines. Solution. So the first thing to do is to find the gradient of the two lines, and then we use the formula. So the first one, 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. You can rewrite it to be 3x plus 1 equal to y. That is y is the same thing as 3x plus 1. And in that case, the gradient is m1, and that is 3. Then the second one, we have x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. And again, collecting terms together, we have x plus 1 to give us 2y. And that means we can write it to be 2y is equal to x plus 1. So moving on, we have to divide through by 2 so that we make y the subject of the formula to get the m2. So we have y is equal to half x plus half. Therefore, m2 is equal to 1 over 2. So we have to find the value of the acute angle between the two lines. So in order to do that, we have to use the formula tan let theta equal to the angle between the two lines. So if that is the case, know that tan theta is given by m2 minus m1 all over 1 plus m2 m1. Remember that this is absolute value. So that will give us, you substitute the values accordingly. Here, as we know, our m1 is 3 and our m2 is this. So we have 3 minus, okay, sorry, m2 is half minus 3 all over 1 plus half times 3 over 1. So moving on, we have, we're going to have this place LCM is 2, 2 here is 1. This one dividing 2 is 2, 2 times this is 6, minus 6, then all over 1 plus 3 over 2. And that will give us minus 5 over 2 all over, this is, the LCM here is also 2, dividing, this is the same thing as 1 over 1. Dividing, this will give us 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, which is also 5. So coming back, So coming back, we have minus 5 over 2 all over 5 over 2, which is the same thing as minus 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2. And then leading us to minus 5 over 2 times 5 over 2. That will give us this, this should be 2 over 5. You have to invert. This is 1, this is also 1. That is minus 1. And because we are talking of absolute value, it will now be, means that we now have tan theta is equal to 1. And then when you check tan inverse theta will give us 45 degrees. So that's the answer to that. That's the answer to that. So we quickly go over to question number 2. So that is our angle there. Question number 2 now. And question number 2, we have to find the tangent of the acute angle between the lines, this and this. Also, we have to find the gradients, that's M1, M2. So the first line, we have 2x plus y equal to 3. Making y the subject of the formula, we have y equal to minus 2x plus 3. Therefore, our M1 should be taken as minus 2. And then the second line, we have 3x minus 2y is equal to 5, which can rewrite from here. Can write from there to be 3x minus 5 is equal to 2y. That is bringing this back, taking this to the other side. We can also write it as 2y is equal to 3x minus 5. Therefore, y dividing through by 2 will be 3 over 2x minus 5 over 2. And that means that my M2 is equal to 3 over 2. So, in that case, I think, okay. In that case, we are looking for the tangent. So, let's theta 1 be the tangent. So find the tangent of the acute angle. Let's now be the tangent of the acute angle. Okay, so that means we have tan theta 1 equal to M2 minus M1 all over 1 plus M2 M1. So we have to substitute the value and then we continue. We already have our M1, M2. So in that case, our M2 is 3 over 2. So tan theta 1 is equal to 3 over 2 minus M1. Our M1 is our M1. We had 3 over 2. M2 is 3 over 2. Then this one, okay, that's the minutes. Okay, our M1 is minus 2 all over 1 plus 3 over 2 times minus 2 over 1. And that will give us, to simplify the upper part, that will be 3 over 2 plus 2 over 1 all over 1 minus 6 over 2. That is this time this, this time this. Okay? So from there now, we'll move on. And then to simplify, we have this will be LCM is 2. That is 3 plus, this is 2 times 2, 4, all over. Again, this is 1, the same thing as 1 over 1. This is 2 times is 2 minus 2 dividing. Sorry, we have this. That's 2 at the LCM. That is 2, 1 times, this is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Then 2 dividing 2 is 1. 1 times this is, so that should be 6. So this will give us 7 over 2 all over minus 4 over 2. And then in that case, this is 1, this is 2. Moving on, we have 7 over 2. We are dividing by minus 2 over 1. And that will lead us to 7 all over 2 times 1 over minus 2, which will give us 7 over minus 4. And because it's absolute value, our final answer should be, therefore, tan theta 1 is equal to 7 over 4 as our final answer to that. So the tangent of the acute angle between the lines is 7 over 4. That will come to the end of question number 2. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If there's any question, put it in the comment section. Thank you.